Hey everyone, I'm Joe Donarumo. I'm Vice President of Field Operations for Lindbeck Group, and I'm also the co-author of the Lean Builder.
Hi everybody, my name is Keyan Zandy. I'm CEO of Skiles Group and also co-author of the Lean Builder.
The Lean Builder is a book resource written to provide those in the industry, the field leaders, the last planners, the boots on the ground, with a roadmap of how to begin and implement a lean journey in the field.
So today is a Lean Builder workshop. It's our way to teach lean principles and give them back to our industry so that way others can scale and get more value in their work.
Oftentimes within our industry, we focus on the tools or the process, and I think what's unique about the workshop experience that Keyan and I put on is we start first with the people. We don't even talk about last planner system till the second half of the day because it's so important to start with the culture, of truly cultivating a culture on your job site of trust, accountability, and mutual respect, the three tenets that we feel like you have to even begin to try to implement last planner system. And through us walking through the chapters of the book, exactly how they're outlined, we walk through the tools of a daily huddle, visual communication, constraint resolution, the three tools that help you cultivate that culture that ultimately allow you to implement last planner system.
You know, to us, lean is about three things. It's about respect for people, it's about adding value and reducing waste, and it's about continuous improvement. And we wanted to share that in a way to where any reader that reads that book can take those principles and immediately apply it on the job site the next morning.
You know, it's one thing just to read something, but to hear the guys that wrote it talk about it was really great.
I heard somebody say that this was the best explanation that they have ever heard of how to implement the last planner system in a relatable way that they felt like they could go take this and communicate it to their project teams. You've got to be able to speak their language, and I think Joe and Keyan do such an amazing job of that.
Within our jobs, Keyan and I are tasked with running operational roles within each of our firms. It's our passion that drives us to even have the bandwidth to do a workshop. But at the end of the day, it's an introductory workshop. Our passion is to get people aware, excited, and engaged to take the next step within their lean journey.
What we're trying to say and what we're trying to do is create a spark for continuous improvement. Just small little steps to just get a little bit more value each day.
It's not a silver bullet. It's not you implement lean, you're going to work 40 hours, everything's going to be gravy. It's not, that's not the case. But what is going to happen is you're going to start to have meaningful relationships with those leaders on the team. It's going to mean that the work you do put in is going to be better. It's going to be less rework. You're going to have the opportunity to elevate, to plan, to sequence, to understand the work before it gets there so you can create the most efficient workflow possible that you can as a field leader so that project can be successful in a manner that your company needs and desires. At the end of the day, Keyan and I have a passion to leave this industry better than we found it and make it the industry that we all know that it can be. I'm Joe Donarumo.
And I'm Keyan Zandy.
And we're the Lean Builder.